welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick weave installation. I'm gonna put everything that I use down in the description box. The hair that I have is from the beauty supply. It is called Dream Hair and it's very cheap and affordable if you just want a quick little style for the week, for work, for school, whatever you got going on. It is your preference if you want to use that Wonder Wrap. That's a kind of like hair protectant that you can put on your hair if you want to protect it from the glue for people, you know, who do quick weaves a lot. I do have a pixie cut, so I'm trying my best to lay down everything. I do have a relaxer as well, but I'm trying to just use this Wonder Wrap, lay down my hair so that the weave can be as flat as possible. You do have to let this Wonder Wrap dry completely in your head. It's gonna get really hard. That is what is protecting your hair from the glue. So I just went and got my blow dryer and just put it on for a couple of minutes just to make sure that it was hard and dry. Okay, so I have this part of my hair all gel glued down, the glue. Hope you can see that. It's hard, if you can hear that. Okay, that's supposed to be the protectant between glue and my hair. And so I just have my this sticking up because this is what's going to cover up my tracks, hopefully. It should work out. It's really not a lot of hair. And all you're doing is covering up the track. So the track is this big. So hopefully I can be successful with that. Finally at the top of my head, I'm just gonna fill in a couple of pieces where it feels very gappy, and then I'm gonna put the last piece on to surround the top. the hair is all in. I know you're wondering, like, how the hell are you gonna blend that in? Watch me. Here I am just finishing up the quick weave, and sometimes I have to add a couple of pieces to the front to make it fuller and to make sure that my actual hair covers the track. And this is the only time that glue is actually going to touch my hair. I know a lot of people are scared of that, but as long as you take it out good, it won't pull your hair out. Okay, I'm trying to get myself together. Okay, so your best friend is gonna be whatever kind of wax stick you have. I had this wax stick for a couple of years now, and it's working pretty well. My part isn't the straightest, but that's because I can't part straight. But I'm trying to get right in the middle. Excuse me. Make sure that your little flyaways stay down. But my hair typically always blends in with whatever color hair I'm using. This is one, so my hair is dyed jet black. But yep, this is the hair. Looking good, okay. This is probably gonna last me maybe a week or two. I'll probably get my hair done somehow next weekend. Can you see how long? It's all the way down. It's not to my butt, but it's, well, I guess it is. I don't know. But yeah, this is the hair. And it looks good to me. I blended it in as good as I can get it. And it'll last. Just keep it tied down. And you should be good. Oh, y'all wanna see? Yeah, I don't need decaf right now.